Welcome everybody to Gamingtech. I hope you're having a wonderful evening. This is gonna be one of those late videos once again. This was my keyboard, and as you know, on a previous video I cleaned this keyboard. As you see, it got dirty again. I'm sick of these keycaps. This is how they sound. As you see, we have the pudding keycaps from Hyperx. We will be swapping out these keycaps for PBT ones. Especially when you edit and you use spacebar a lot. That spacebar is making so much noise. Let's open it and take a look what's inside. It comes in these plastic bags. That's the layout for the keycaps. Very nice packaging. Just open them carefully so you can just follow the pattern, or else you just use the layout. Let's cut it. These are gonna illuminate RGB very nicely. Aesthetic wise, they're gonna look very nice, and they're very comfortable also. After using it for editing, they don't get that greasy like the ABS plastic ones. Unfortunately, there is no keycap puller here that I have for this Roccat keyboard, so I had to use my hands, and your fingertips are gonna hurt at some point. You see, there's a huge difference. Most of the keycaps works, except for a couple of special ones. For example, shift 1 on this keyboard is very small to the left. And enter, I had to use another cap for it. You just need to apply a little bit pressure in order to insert it, and that's gonna do the job. There we go. It's already looking nice. I personally love these. I don't know why I didn't upgrade these before, and probably I'm gonna end up switching it for a new keyboard. Fully custom one. You can see how the light is illuminated, and this single LED light, as you see there, those are our Titan switches. I'm happy with it. I have gamed on it. Typing experience is nicer. It's much more quieter. Of course, we're gonna have sound test as well to test out the spacebar and rest of the keyboard as well. It took a while. Definitely fingertips hurts. It's not just an aesthetic upgrade here, they're very comfortable as well. Much better than original Roccat keycaps that they used, sound wise and aesthetic wise. Plus my computer's theme is white, so it looks really nice. Gonna have to paint this wrist pad also. There is the keycap puller for this set. Here I'm testing it out. Works. perfectly. Let's insert the rest of it. What do you guys think of this setup? Does it look nice? Or is it too much bright? Obviously you can control the brightness of the RGB as well. Here I put it on the maximum so you guys can see how the light is being reflected. I'm gonna show towards end of the video also how the light is illuminated from a light source. Oh, it feels amazing. Very happy with this upgrade. For $25, this is nothing. I wasn't sure if this Hyperx PBT keycaps would fit to this Roccat keyboard, but it just does fine. Biggest upgrade is the spacebar. Let's remove it. Huge difference. I love it. With this set, I was left out with 4 keycaps that I couldn't change. And that is completely fine. The moment I use them, I feel how horrible they are. It's looking really nice. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do so, it helps a lot. And here my fingertips hurt so bad. It's not even funny anymore. And some of them are very easy to remove and some of them are very difficult. I love how it looks. I gotta paint that wrist rest for sure to white and add some cushioning material there. Very happy with this look. Gonna change those Swedish ones as well. And this is how the RGB is looking. Very nice. This is in completely dark room. What do you guys think? Beautiful. You see the difference of the Titan switch there, how it's being displayed. Let's do a type test. I was so impressed by this. That's how the layout looks. Later on I found out that I can swap out the enter key also. Just taking the enter from the right side of the keyboard from the numpad section. I will be showing how I did it as well. It's beautiful. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the RGB lights. And exactly here, do you see what state that shift button is in? And I just cleaned that. It's horrible. Is it worth it? Definitely. It's such a big upgrade that it just feels amazing. Not just aesthetic wise. Never used it. I'm so happy. I'm glad I went with Decision, and I'm matching my setup with this green theme that I got going on. Enjoy the rest of the footage, guys. I'll see you on the next video. There's gonna be gaming tests as well, a lot of them. Stay tuned. Take care of yourselves. Let's go.